Welcome to Hoyist.com. This is Noor, the founder and CEO. So as we have started a playlist, and in today's video we are going to see how you can set up WHMCS payment gateway. So actually I don't use Stripe and PayPal, but I'll tell you how you can set PayPal and Stripe. But for right now, this video we will see how you can set up bank transfer and mail and a few more payment gateways. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's get started. The first thing, I'm going to log in into my WHMCS, and on WHMCS you can search here or just scroll down, and here you will find here payment gateways. Go for it. But before this we have to go for the apps and integration page. Okay, on the apps and integration page, just wait for a second and this will load up. Right now on this page there is no payment gateway, so it will load. There is no use case of going on this page. I'll go on this page, browse, and on the browse section I'll just wait a second and go for the payments. Okay, now guys, if you want to set up PayPal or any other payment gateway, you can set them up with WHMCS, and most suggested one are PayPal and Stripe. Okay, the best. These are the best if you want it. Stripe is the most best. Okay, but if you don't have the budget, or if you're from a country where there is not allowed, PayPal is not allowed and Stripe is not allowed, or if you don't have the code and if you want to set up like these, there are a lot of videos on this, and there is somebody payment gateway provider is offering the payment gateway. You can ask them and they will tell you the documentation to set this up. But for now, right on this video, I'll tell you how you can set up the bank transfer payment gateway. We do have another payment gateway which is called mail-in payment, but I will not use that payment gateway. Let's go for the bank transfer only. And just click on this activate button. Okay. Now guys, admin provide the details here, and then on this page you have to provide here the bank name. Like suppose your bank name is ABC. Okay. Then the next your name. Okay, your name. Your name. Then the next is sort code and account number. Like I'll go for XXX here, and then for this I'll go for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is okay. If you want here a custom field, like you want to add a custom field like city or event, city of event, you can do also. Like you are living in some city like XYZ city, so you can do provide it. If you want to change this, you can do, and if I save here, you can do it. Okay, if I go here on this Hoyist.com XYZ, and if I go on the product page, if I go on the order hosting page, I'll go for ordering this product, and for here if I use a text domain name, continue with it, and I'll again continue with the same product here, then again continue, and again I'll continue the checkout page. Here you will see this is the payment gateway that is available. If you will set up the PayPal or any other, they will also appear here. This is how you can set up a simple WHMCS payment gateway. If in any time you want to change this stuff or delete this payment gateway, you can also here. Okay, if you want to deactivate, if you have more than one payment gateway, like two payment gateways here, you can deactivate this one, but you can't directly deactivate a payment gateway when you don't have the other. Okay, so before setting up, keep in mind if you have only one payment gateway, then use it, or if you or else the option is you can just uncheck this option. Okay, this is how guys you can set up WHMCS payment gateways. Thank you so much for watching this video.